Hey everyone, TJ Lewis here with Better Every Day. I want to share a simple way to improve things during busy season without adding chaos. It's this week's one big idea. Busy season is your best laboratory, not your excuse to wait. Most firms this time of year are saying, we can't change anything right now. We'll fix it after busy season. But the reality is, busy season is the best time to fix some of these small things because the pain is obvious and the work is repeating every day, which means you get constant, fast feedback. Now, this isn't about big change. We're not introducing new systems, no workflow overhauls at this point. We just want to stick with some small experiments. It's one small change in a small scope for a short time with one simple measure. And this is basically what every innovation framework teaches. Lean Startup calls it build, measure, learn. The Deming Cycle calls it plan, do, check, act. Different labels, but it's the same idea. We're going to try something small, we're going to measure it, and we're going to learn and iterate. So here's a quick template you can use, just 6 steps. First, you want to identify a pain point. What is it that's causing friction or rework right now in your firm? And then we're going to state our hypothesis. So if we try X, then blank improves because Y. And then we want to define the scope. So this is something small, right? One team, maybe it's 5 clients, maybe it's a single return type. We want to keep this small. And then set a time box. Maybe it's 1 week, or maybe sometimes you can even do it in 3 days. And then we're going to pick something to measure, just one metric, nothing fancy, don't overthink it. And then the most important part of this is you need to take time to review. It could be just 15 minutes at the end of your time box, right? 15 minutes at the end of the week. And what you're going to do is you're just going to decide, do we keep this, do we tweak it, or do we kill it? And here are a couple of examples you can run this week. So maybe interruptions are killing your focus. Try a daily 30-minute office hours for questions, and then you just batch the rest. This is a time where folks can come and talk to you, set aside 30 minutes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to measure maybe the number of ad hoc pings or cycle time and see if this doesn't drive some reductions. Maybe rework is high. So create a 60-second pre-review checklist for the top 3 items that always come back. And this time you're going to measure your review notes per return. See if that doesn't go down. The key is simple. Don't wait until after busy season, because that's when urgency fades and the details start to blur. Busy season is your lab. I want to encourage you to seize this opportunity and not let it pass you by again this year. If you're a Better Every Day member, you're going to be able to follow along in our Be Inspired space all week for more specific guidance on each part of the experiment process, from identifying your pain point all the way through review and next steps. So this week, pick a pain point, run a tiny experiment, measure one thing, review and iterate, and then decide what to tackle next.